Hello, this is Hui. Welcome to watch my video C++ programming on Linux. In this short video, we are going to discuss radio button and the checkbox control. We are going to use an example of a tennis club membership registration form submission to demonstrate what's the difference between the radio button and the checkbox. Here we have created a line editor which used for plan to put in the name of member and here we have a radio button is to let member to select which type of membership he or she would like to register. Just in order for saving the typing time, so I had made this basic design. So for radio button, in the design, we try to do is just drag the radio button and drop to where we wanted to place this radio button. So we just drag and drop a radio button here, and we try to. I see. So we make it a little longer, and we just change the font size to make it more visible. So here we just add a new radio button. So we just drag and drop here. We create a new membership type called a senior membership type. So usually tennis club offer few programmers like a house league, social double, and the tournament for members to select which one he or she would like to join. For the design of a checkbox, so you have to drag the checkbox and just drop to where you want to place where is the checkbox. So we just place one. So we name is so we make a large and we change the font, make it 14. So now we add new program which called social round robin. So we just drag this checkbox and drop here to create the checkbox on the design. So here is the button, and we just say user plan to say the player to put the name, select the membership type, and check which program he or she wants to join, and click this button to submit. So what we are planning to do when the button clicked, we just display what the player selected in this status bar. So in order to do this, we just right click the button and say go to slot and select clicked and click OK. Now we are going to our program which is part of on push button clicked. So first of all, we have to collect the name. So we create a queue string, which I call my message, which we plan to display at the status bar. So show equal, which says from the line editor. So UI line edit and the text. So we pick up from here. So we plus couple of space. So after we get the name, we want to know which membership type is selected. So we're going to know if UI radio button. So if this radio button, there's the method is checked. So this if select, so this is true, and we are going to do is my message and append append the text of this radio button. So we add a space. So we know we have 4 radio buttons, so we just making copy. 1, 2, just paste 3 times. So when the radio button 2 is checked, and we are going to append radio button 2 text to our message. And if radio button 3 is checked, and we're going to add radio button 3, and if radio button 4 is checked, and we're going to append radio button 4 text message. So after we got the membership type that player has selected, we need to know which program he assigned. So if UI, which checkbox, still have a method called is checked. So if this method is checked, we're going to my message append this the text of this checkbox. So checkbox text just +1 space, and we also know we have 4 checkbox, so we're making copy 1, 2, 3. So we say so if checkbox 2 is checked, and we append checkbox 2 text to the message. If checkbox 3 and we append the checkbox 3, and if checkbox 4 is checked, we're going to append the checkbox 4 to our message. So after that, we just show our message on the status bar. What we show is my message. Okay, because we show the message, so at the beginning, we're going to have to do is UI status bar clear message. So refresh each time we click that button. So now let's build. Save all everything. It's building. It's green. So looks as it's great. So now let's go to the Linux terminal. So we go to this debug directory. They say so. This say our binary has been built. So we go to debug directory because we have combined build in debug. So let's try to run to see how it's going. So now we have our registration form. So here we put the name. It's John Oliver. So let's say, so here is the radio button, which is like the membership type. So you can see the membership type. Each time you can only select one. So the radio button So it's used for the scenario of choose one from the multiple. So here we have 4 membership type. So members can only choose one for registration. So let's say he chooses the adult membership. Here is the programmers this club offering. So look at this checkbox. You can select any of them. You can select one. You can select 2. Let's say John Oliver select the house league and the tournament. So let's click submit. Here we got the message. So he's John Oliver, which John Oliver name, and the adult membership. That's true. He's like the adult membership, and the house league. Yes, house league has been checked, and tournament has been checked. So if we put another name, so let's say Michael Andrew, he selected the senior membership, and he selected the social double and the social round robin as a program. Let's submit. So this is Michael Andrew. It's Michael Andrew. Senior membership, yes, senior membership has been checked. Social double, yes, social double has been selected. And the social round robin, yes, social round robin has been checked. So the difference between the radio button and the checkbox is radio button is select one from multiple options, and the checkbox you can select a multi option from the multi options. So you can select here we have 4 options. You can select 1, you can select 2, you can select any of them. So this is the difference between the radio button and the checkbox. Hello, this is Hui. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully it's enjoyable and useful. It's going to be great to have your feedback.